Hey there! Welcome back to another lesson. And this time, we're going to explore some of the most common phrasal verbs with the verb come. Now, you already know the basic meaning of come, to move towards something, right? But when we add a little word after it, like up, over, or across, it changes completely. These combinations are called phrasal verbs, and they're everywhere in everyday English. So in this lesson, I want to walk you through some useful ones, the kind of expressions you'll hear in real conversations. And as we go, I'll explain not just what they mean, but how and when to use them. Let's begin. Come up. This one has a few meanings, but here's the most common. It means something unexpected has happened, often a reason you can't do something. Example. At work. I was going to join the meeting, but something came up. Something happened that changed my plans. And here's another use, often in conversation. Example. In a chat. That topic came up during the interview. It was mentioned or discussed. Quick tip. Come up. Appear unexpectedly, whether it's a situation or a topic. Come over. This is simple and friendly. It means visit someone's place. Example. With a friend. Hey, want to come over later? Do you want to visit my house? Example. On the phone. Can you come over after dinner? Visit me at my home. It's casual, relaxed, and super common. Come across. This one's interesting. It means to find something by chance, or how you appear to others. Example. Talking about an article. I came across an old photo of us yesterday. I found it unexpectedly. Example. Giving feedback. He came across as a bit arrogant. That's the impression he gave. Quick tip. One meaning is discovery, the other is impression. Come out. We use this when something is revealed or released. Example. New release. The new iPhone just came out. It was released. Example. Talking about a secret. The truth finally came out. It became known. It can also mean to go somewhere for fun, like, are you coming out tonight? But the first two are more common in everyday speech. Come in. This one depends on context, but here are the two big uses. Example. At the door. Hi, come in. Enter. Example. During a meeting. This is where your idea comes in. This is where your idea is useful. Come in can be literal or figurative, meaning this is your moment to contribute. Come up with. One of the most useful expressions in English. It means to create or invent an idea or solution. Example. In a brainstorming session, she came up with a great slogan. Example. At school. I need to come up with a topic for my essay. Quick tip. If you come up with something, you're the one who thought of it. Come through. This phrasal verb means to succeed in doing something important, especially when others are depending on you, often at the last minute or under pressure. It's like saying, you didn't let us down. You did what we needed, just in time. Example. After a big team effort. Thanks for coming through. We couldn't have done it without you. You helped us when it really mattered. Example. Talking about a reliable person. She really came through for us in the final hour. She stepped up and made sure everything worked out, just when we needed her most. Quick tip. Come through is used when someone delivers, keeps a promise, or saves the day, especially when the situation is difficult or urgent. Come down to. This phrasal verb is used when you talk about what is really important in the end. It's like saying, forget all the extra details. This is the main thing. Example. Making a tough decision. There are a lot of things to consider, but it all comes down to trust. In the end, trust is the most important factor. Example. Talking about success. Success often comes down to persistence, not talent. The key reason people succeed is that they keep going, not just because they're naturally gifted. Quick tip. Use come down to when you want to say what something depends on the most, the biggest reason something happens, or the most important part to think about. Come along. 2 common meanings here. To join someone, or to progress or improve. Example. Invitation. We're heading out. Want to come along? Example. Talking about a project. How's the website coming along? How is it progressing? It's a soft, friendly expression, perfect for casual English. Come down with. This one is about health. It means you're starting to get sick. Example. On the phone. I think I'm coming down with something. I feel like I'm getting sick. Example. Declining plans. Sorry, can't make it. I've come down with the flu. Useful when explaining why you're not feeling well. Come back. You've probably heard this one. Simple but powerful. Example. Saying goodbye. When are you coming back? Example. In a discussion. That topic keeps coming back. It can be about returning to a place, or even to a subject or feeling. So there you go. 11 common phrasal verbs built from one small word, come. And now, you don't just know these phrases. You've heard them in action, and you understand when and how to use them. Thanks for joining today, and see you in the next lesson.